Okay, so here is the best way on how to redeem code in Kingshot 2025. So make sure you watch the tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So I'll show you the method for both Android and iPhone. Just make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So for Android, it's very simple. You just need to be on the game. And what you need to do is just simply head over to your avatar. And once you press on it, you just gotta go ahead and press on the option of settings right over here. Once you press on it, you'll directly see the option of redeem gift code option. So you can just simply press on that option and redeem the code directly from your Android phone. But if you're not on Android, what you can do is just simply head over back to your home screen on your iPhone. And right over here, what you can do is just simply head over to any of your chosen web browser. I'm gonna choose Google Chrome for this video. So you just gotta go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and you need to type in Kingshot gift code. Right over here on the top, you'll be able to see gift code center by Century Games. Century Games is what owns Kingshot. You just gotta go ahead and press on gift code center. And right over here, you gotta make sure that you've copied your player ID from your game. Just make sure that you know your player ID. And right over here, you gotta enter the gift code. Once you've entered the gift code, you're good to go. You'll be directly able to use any code. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you soon.